how to add text to any product page inside of Shopify. First things first, we need to know how to get to the theme customizer. And so most likely you'll be in this homepage here. And so what you'll have to do is go to Sales Channels, Online Store, Themes, and then you can begin to customize. Then you'll want to hit Customize, and then at the drop down, you'll want to select a product template. I'll be using a custom product template. If you need to know how to do this, I have a few videos up on that. Awesome. So inside of your product template, what you want to do is go over to this product information tab and go over to add block. Outside the box, in most themes, especially with Dawn, you'll get a description text, and you'll also get, I believe, a text box here. So if we click on text, it was just added down here. And you'll have a few different styling options. So you could do body, subtitle, and uppercase. But you really don't get much functionality outside the box, other than being able to drag it up and down somewhere. So we can even drag it below our other description here. If you want to add a description or heading or text with lots of options, there's this app I recommend called Flexi. It's $5 a month with a 14-day free trial. And once you download it, you'll have access to these custom blocks here under app blocks. So if I go add block and scroll down to app blocks, you'll see description and heading over here. And once you add these blocks in, you have full range and full control over your text. You can even use your product description. It'll pull it in dynamically. Common settings is adjusting font size. You can text align center, even put the position center if you set the max width down. So let's put that to 300. And you can really edit the text however your heart desires. You can also hide your text depending on your screen. So you can just make it visible for mobile so it won't show on desktop, and vice versa for desktop. Anyways, that is how to add product text to any product page inside of Shopify.